Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Dimension. This tutorial video is about the basics of editing a video on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Video editing is definitely a very valuable skill in today's world, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you all you need to know to get started as a complete beginner. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into my PC so I can show you guys how to do some basic editing on Premiere Pro. So first thing that you're going to do is open your Adobe Premiere Pro. As you all can see, I've already opened the software on my PC. Now what we will do is to click on the new project, and after clicking on new project, it will ask me to title my project name. So we'll just wait for the screen to appear. So as you all can see, now I have to select the project name. So in this case, I'll just put my name just for the example. And after selecting the file name, what I'm going to do is to click on create. And after clicking on create button, this is what you should be seeing when you start your new project. In this video, I'm going to teach you two basic editing techniques, as this tutorial will have several other parts. I am dividing topics accordingly. So our very first topic is how to import your files in Premiere Pro. For importing files, there are different ways you can import your file, but today I'll just tell you a very basic method, so it will be simple for you guys to recall. So let's come to our very first step, which is go on the file, and after clicking on file, click on import. After clicking on import, you just have to browse your files, and in this case I have some files in my desktop. I'll click on open. After clicking on open, the files will show up at the bottom left corner. So that is how you're going to import your files on Premiere Pro when you start a new project. So that brings to our second topic, which is about how to use mark in and mark out. As you all can see on the bottom left, we have our file that we have imported. Now what I'm going to do is select that file, and it will just pop up on the top. Now the duration of this clip is around 1 minute and 15 seconds, but I will not use the whole clip, as I just want a clean steady shot of 3 to 4 seconds. So what I'm going to do is play the video from the beginning, and I will use mark in somewhere near here, and after 4 or 5 seconds I'll just mark my mark out. So this will be my mark out. So you might want to take out the best part of your video, right? Rather than putting the whole video on your timeline, you can just use mark in and mark out to get the desired shot. So as I have already gotten my desired shot, I'll just drag my video on the timeline, and it'll be just ready for the edit. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys gained some knowledge and enjoyed my tutorial. I will be back next week with a different part of the tutorial where I'll be covering other editing techniques. Till then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep watching Digital Dimension. Thank you.